See you tomorrow, Katie.
See you tomorrow, Mr. Brown.
Don't forget to do your homework.
I won't, but I have some plans today. See you tomorrow, Mr. Brown and Katie. Oh, Brian, do you have some time today?
Yeah,
What are you up to? I've been doing some fun stuff and want to show it to you.
sounds good. Let's go then. Don't be too late. And again, don't forget your homework.
We won't. See you tomorrow, Mr. Brown. Can I stop by at one of my favorite stores? Sure, where is it? It's at the corner of this street. It's this toy store. Let's go inside. Alright, let's see what they got. Look at this place. It's like heaven to me. I would have said the same thing if it was 3 months ago. What do you mean? Now I'm more interested in creating my own games and toys.
You create your own games and toys?
Yeah, and that's what I wanted to show you today.
Oh my god, that sounds so much fun. What are we doing here?
Alright, let's get out of here. It's at ground level of this building.
Cool. What are we waiting for? Let's go. This is a place that you are going every day, huh?
Yeah, it's so much fun and you can learn a lot from this place.
Can't wait to see what you've been doing.
I'll show you. Let's go inside.
Wow, there's a bunch of cool computers.
Yeah, this is called Focus Technology Center.
So what exactly do you do at this place?
All kinds of stuff, like video editing, 3D modeling, coding, and much more.
That is so amazing. I always wanted to create my own video game.
That's super easy. You wanna play one that I created?
You've created one already? Show me.
Sure, just sign up and you can create your own as well.
Katie, thank you so much for showing this place.
Not at all. I'm glad you liked it. Let's do our homework together after creating our game.
Alright, we have some homework. Sounds like a plan.